Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. A lot they happen for inside Ogbonge, Nigeria, my people. God come and save all your children. We dey Obodo Ibo. My people, my people. Wetin I dey see for this picture, it shock me. This lady wey una dey watch so. Na UK base but na Nigeria person. She don spend 18 good years for Nyand. Don spend 18 years for UK. Just like the story of that woman, after 17 years from UK, she returned to Nigeria. But just 1 week, she turned RIP. Now wetin still happen to this very sister of ours? May this calamity be far away from us in Jesus' name. Amen. This our beautiful sister una dey see so, she don colometa for inside Nigeria. She be UK based. After 18 years now, she say okay, make she visit Nigeria. And the things wey she put for her people hand, make she go look how far e don go. And na 2 things now she carry go Nigeria. That because of 2 things now she carry go Nigeria. The first one, she don finally get engaged. So she come say make she go settle down with her lover. So may we just go Nigeria, go do one together. Now this our sister take see the one wey she see so. I know say many people they fear to go to that Africa to go do marriage. They will just tell you say, better just do one for here. Now just better pass. I no fit just go face all those WW aunties and uncles. So now understand my people. Now wetin sup be that one. Some people wey me know, they go tell you say me AB World, I know they go Nigeria, I dey fear them. I want your suffering do am low key inside house. I no wan announce because they know the kind family where they come from. You understand? So this our sister go house, say may she go collect all the things wey they do for her. May she come thank them. Say upon so when I was over here. But unfortunately, they not let her thank them. They feel say maybe she want come collect the property from their hand. Before you know her, they turn this woman to this colometa so. I beg, brothers and sisters, I first talk for the order of my video. Mothers, grandmothers, friends, boyfriend, husband. Nyanki no easy o. Green passport no easy o. Green papers una we dey hear and that year. Green paper. E no easy at all. I beg. Make una not to the envy people wey dey Obodo Ibo. Nothing dey here, my people. Nothing. We just evolve ourselves. Nothing dey here. If na the co alone, na no fit we stand down. Common harmattan self, na no fit we stand down for that side. Talk less of say how many degree for coal. Do you understand, my people? Nyanki no easy o, as we dey hear and Nyanki. I first tell una say may una forgive us for the cloth we call the wear, the motor wey we dey drive if we reach Nigeria. Say all of them are just posing. We not get anything for here, my people. Na pose, na dengue pose, na IP. We not get anything for here. Na lie, just like lie Mohammed. I will be. I beg. Make una comot eye from people wey dey Nyanki. Any money wey dem bring come for una, make una take invest for them. I beg, make una take invest. Here no easy. Siko, Sunday hustle. Na different hustle na dey here. Some dey wash all this oyibo bonbon. They go poo. Big girl, big man wey get wife. Man wey go reach house, you know, go even say me help your wife sweep, but he go reach work, he go dey wash a day bonbon just to survive. Different hard work that we dey do for here. Not be as we see am, we hear am, na be Nyanki be. I beg. Make una dey invest with our money well. Any money wey we send go house, make una dey invest with am well. If una no still invest am, no problem. We no go turn una to RIP. We go just only shout like a barking dog. We will rest, but we una spare our Make una not turn pikin wey don suffer for Europe come turn out to this kind woman abeg. See am na after 18 years. How this one wan take see road take return back to Yankee? Maybe na just 1 month leave dey give am, make she just stay run come. At the end, see wetin come happen. And una know say UK paper not too easy for that side to get paper. If na Italo or Spanish, Spain, but for UK, for person to come house after 18 years, you know how much you go gather, my people. This thing when they do to people with the Yankee, e no good. E no good. Not because say we just dey see the money they bring come, once una your cry, But I know say some of una they do just they collect money from people with the Yankee. Until the person say una the money, he will never know peace. No, not be so. Majority of una wey they do all those ogunmete, they collect money from una children till they enter do iya egbe, ijowa for different meeting. Till they carry sugar daddy. If una dey here, my people, I not sure say una will fit get up in the morning go work. You know how much time when sleep will dey sweet you. The one wey pass harmattan 100% or billion%, na it dey here. Upon no, you will still get up. Rain go dey fall, you will carry umbrella. Ya okoko etamo bowi magbame. Na it be Europe. You know if you tell your employees say rain dey fall, snow dey o, na so weather, road no good o, na so traffic o. Because they go fire you comot for work. You understand? Many they do babysitter. Get one of my cousin, woman with 6 children. No, this one na my auntie. He come follow now. This thing I coincidence. Come follow one of my cousin, my niece, sister-in-law go Nigeria. They will follow them. As they go house, now they all consist okay. Maybe she just still go on holiday. Now she comes okay. Maybe she want go see her people. Another of my niece come see him, come say, he just the shame for Nigeria. Say he just the shame. Say imagine woman will get children. They do nanny follow person will marry Oyibo. Now I say now the work where they work for Europe be that one. He said no fear no let them they do all those kind of things. This and I say but person where they do kole for Nigeria. And I know what to be kole and all those people they pack the tea. People where they do one for Nigeria. And I know they great married them. But for here, now better money that they receive. You understand my people? Now I can tell that my niece like that. He say so you mean say this my auntie now wetin they call now babysitter they do for them. I say which papa get company for you? I been waiting. You see the kind job we they do for here. Now small pikin with dead Africa talk say you know if you do babysitter follow anybody. As you come they do any way get children get husband for house they do babysitter. Sister breathe 50 €. Sister headache they do me. Sister they hit gate. Sister never says light. Sister no food for house. Now the work what they do for Europe be this one. Many even they take more risk than this minor ones where I just tell una so. So I beg, if una not still do this something, we no cowards or no do no still no make una not because person where una do this something to, she not even know half of what una know. I beg make una spare their life, make una live there, so that if they return here again, then go fit gather themselves again. You understand? But turning her to this kind of thing, which kind man don't see person like this way don't colo, we can say he wants to go ask her hand in marriage. He go hard. He go hard, my people. He go hard. Now just the grace of God. You understand? Now no say this life now will come this on a digital life now. Once anything they happen, now snap. Before we know they see all this thing for social media. But forget now. Even if you dey snow for inside your room or you dey dream, say person go even follow you dey dream, maybe dey video you for inside dream. He go follow you enter your dream, begin the video you, he go video your dream come outside for the world to say. Now wetin dey happen, na the world wey we dey so, na be this one. So now see or as e did your full ground. See bum so as this woman, this lady fine rich, make she go settle down. As we dey tell as I dey talk to una, so they say brother don gbase. He don gbase. Who wan marry person wey no fit kolo? One day na go still pick up. No say kolo no dey quick dey finish. Na the grace of God. The day wey go dey talk to himself, you feel say maybe na just he dey memorize memory verse. Na lie. If phrase your come still visit am, no be memory verse. My people, abeg, the suffer wey dey here. Na make many people go say if here no good, make we come. We no go fit come because why? How they want to start from? Many, how they want to start? Imagine person wey family don gbase like this. Where you want start from? So now that shame and everything. This Europe be like society. Who no go no, who don't already dey inside, no go like to come out for inside again. You understand? No like to come out for inside again. Na be the something because you don't know as you want to come out. Some go you cross their mind, you see them, they will go Africa. Why some go say no? Ikmeme here. So I beg make una stop to the use una pikin money there anyhow. It not easy, even though say Oyibo still dash some money. Una know say some Oyibo after they don't dash some money, they call later they come find and say na just they take collect the money from their hand. They buy all those una sister brothers there. So I beg any money where they say can't give una. As he has for Nigeria, and so it still be for here. Man are not the fall from heaven. Money will not dey pick am for ground. Una understand? We not dey pick am for ground at all. Man, I say not dey fall from heaven. Money no dey grow for tree. We work hard. My people, we dey work hard. I dey use God take dey beg una. Make una no dey do this to una sisters, una brother. E not easy, my people. I dey read this news to people wey dey Nigeria. E not easy. Sister don open room and the parlor for ground now. Who wan come rent house for sister hand again? After this open and close for ground. They say fiancé now e don cower. You surprised now the fiancé be not ready before. Akugege wani yete wa viaje. Awe ge in work before. Some men will stay till your wife they okay. But maybe not by first marriage before. You understand? But my people, make una pardon us. If we can't deceive, una can't wear all those markers for outside. But make una still think and say we still deserve her. We still deserve her. Yeah, we have egbe Nigeru kone. Who will Pama Dekishi? You know they hungry. You understand? Make una still pardon us. Imagine person they tell me that they say if people say you say you not get money to send come, but you get iPhone 12 plus. People wey we all dey here work will come on, my people work will come on. Olunyano mo see the ho. They say person wey they show food for pikin. Not be say you go just use rope take tie in your throat. You understand? You go see swallows and you go still bring some out for the pikin. I beg. Make una know they do this to una brothers and una sisters. Because say this lady can't ask for her property. And they can't say, okay, me she bring her head. Come, me and Nake. Now make them come turn out to kilometer. Mothers they do one. Brothers they do one. Fathers they do one. Ah! Wawaji manire ubo ya fiuhani manire Nigeria. It no good. Una no even they remember or care about una people with the nyanki again. It no good, my people. I just pray may God revive this our sister back again to her senses again. You understand? So I beg anybody where they watch this video, make una join me pray for this woman. Make God return this arrow back to sender. I beg if today not be the first time when you they watch, may you try me hit the notification up there and also on subscribe so that anytime I take upload, it will be the first when they will wire my video will give. To my new subscriber, I so much appreciate and I thank you for being here. To my returning subscriber, God bless you and I appreciate you for all your effort for being here, for returning back. God bless you. Let me leave you people at this junction. Bye everyone. Choose.